Welcome back everybody to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a beach bucket cocktail. So I'm going to be using the Titos vodka, some Sprite, a mango Mike's Hard, some lemonade, and I found some pineapple mango juice. It's Tropicana. So I have my bucket filled with ice, and I got this bucket from the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna pour in my Tito's vodka, and you can use as much of this as you would like. This is a shareable drink. If you want to drink it by yourself, that is up to you. Go for it. So I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'll do 6 shots. 6. And of course, you can add more, you can add less, but I am going to be sharing this drink. So then I'm going to pour in my lemonade. And then some of my Tropicana pineapple mango juice. And then some of my Sprite. And then I am going to top it with some fruit. Mango slices. I have pineapple slices. Just a few blueberries. I have some strawberries. And some lemons. And then I'm gonna open up my Mike's Hard and just dump that in. Alright, so when I try to dump it in, it went everywhere. So do not dump it in. Just try and get it to where it'll sit up like this. I actually need to buy one of those little holders that they use at the restaurants that holds the bottle up instead of sinking all the way down. And then it came with a little shovel. I mean, if you can get it in there just for decorations. And there you have it, guys, my beach bucket cocktail. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. It was nice, quick, and simple. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me any comments down below if there's anything you would like to see me make. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.